How to replace a throttle cable on a Homelite UT21566 gas trimmer. The throttle cable on the Homelite UT21566 gas trimmer connects the trigger with the carburetor. Without this part, your trimmer will not accelerate. This cable may become detached from either the trigger or the starter housing and will need to be replaced. You can access the throttle cable by removing the control assembly. There are also ignition wires and an on/off switch, which are also connected to the control assembly. You can also service these parts at this time if they are damaged. Things you will need: screwdriver, replacement parts. Unscrew the 3 screws holding the control assembly to the shaft. Remove the 4 screws on the starter housing that hold the shaft to the engine with a screwdriver. Pull out the shaft from the engine. Remove the C-fitting from the carburetor S-plate and pull out the throttle cable. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the 2 halves of the control assembly together. Pull apart the halves to take the control assembly off the shaft. Disconnect the 2 lead ignition wires from the switch with a screwdriver. Pull off the throttle cable and replace. Check the switch, trigger and wires for any damage, and replace if necessary. Reassemble the parts in reverse order. Connect the ignition wires to the switch. Hook the throttle cable to the trigger S-spring. Secure the control assembly halves together around the shaft. Reattach the throttle cable to the carburetor S-plate. Rescrew the 4 starter housing screws to secure the shaft. Tighten the screws holding the control assembly to the shaft.